All right, you can see behind me the sky is crazy right now. It's been thundering like this for quite a while, but the sky looks pretty wild. About like a couple years ago, and dogs are just going crazy barking. The tornado sirens are going off, so I hope it's not a repeat of a couple years ago. Crap! Now here comes the raindrops are coming in. So the clouds are moving real fast. More rumbling in the air and quite a bit of lightning. So this is pretty crazy.
We're right in the middle of it.
Are we really?
Washington Township, Miamisburg area.
Hell's bells.
Yep. Washington Township, right in the middle of it.
Yeah. This is crazy. The sky, you know what? It's just getting more and more lightning, and the clouds are moving really fast.
We've seen tennis ball sized hail, so storms as well. Likely
All size hail.
third right
Jeez.
going to be a brief tornado, but it's still something we want to take very serious.
And that's the sky coming from downtown Dayton area. So there's a tornado warning until about 9 o'clock. Sure as heck hope it passes by. Yeah, this sky looks really freaky right now, so yeah, it's coming down pretty good right now. I'm gonna go sit on my porch and see what the heck's going on here.
Is it hailing now or what?
I don't know. So the tornado warning has been lifted, and now we just have a severe thunderstorm, thank God. So there's some tornadoes today in Ohio, Fort Recovery, and I heard one was in the town of Drexel. I don't know if that's confirmed or not, but all right, I think I'm going back into the house. I've had enough of this.